red crab, red watermelon, red boat, red boat, red hat, red wheelbarrow, red strawberry. All right, there's red. How about green? Green frog? Okay. Green peas. Green caterpillar. Green wool. Green sock. Green train. Green grasshopper. Yeah, I think that wasn't so close, kiddo. Green crayon. Green tortoise.
Can I play that?
Sure.
Green kite.
Good. Got it.
Are you getting tired? Green kite. Are you okay? Green broccoli. You okay? I think you've been hollering pretty loud. Are you tired? Are you finished with green? Okay. Green peas.